Okay, each pattern starts with 5. Create the input-out table. Write the pattern rule. So let's start with creating the input-output table for each of these. I'm going to do the first, the third, and the fourth, and I'd like you to do the second. So this is the 5 is the first number for each table. Five is the first number for each table. So we're talking for question number 1, we're talking about the first number, the second number, the third number, the fourth number, the fifth number. Okay. And we start with 5, and then as we go from 5 to 12, 12 to 19, 19 to 26, 26 to 33, we're adding 7. So that's the pattern. You add 7. So this is how you create an input-output table. You have the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth term, and then you're putting the value for each term. So what is the rule, the pattern rule? Well, the pattern starts with 5, and then it increases by 7 every time. So I'm going to do, okay, let's do number 2. Number 2 starts with 5, but instead of, let's put the table down. There are 4 things in the table. So 5, 15, 45, and 135. Instead of adding 7 each time, this time we're multiplying by 3 each time. So the pattern is multiplying by 3 each time. That's not right. 1 times. We start with 5. This is the rule, but this is not something that you're going to learn until quarter 3 in this class. So this is the pattern rule, but you wouldn't know that that's the pattern. You should be able to know the first one is a pattern, but you shouldn't know that the second one is a pattern. For the third one, we have the first, second, third, and fourth term. They're all 5. So what is the rule? The rule is no matter what the value of x is, the answer is always going to be 5. And let's put in the terms in the table for number 4. I'm not sure there is a pattern, because how do you go from 5 to 16? Now I know how you go from 16 to 8. You divide by 2. And 8 to 4, you divide by 2. And etc. You divide by 2. But then here you multiply by 4. And then you divide by 2 again. So there is no set pattern for question number 4.